How to spool knit children's slippers. These cozy little slippers are easy to make using round web. The length of the sole is 5.5 inches. Be sure to get the soles before you start the project. Steps. 1. Start at the back of the heel, A, of illustration, and make the first 2 rows 3 inches high, then gradually shorten the next 3 rows, and keep each row this height until the instep is finished. 2. Continue assembling the slippers. The first row on the vamp, B, of illustration, is made 1 inch higher than the side. Each row is then gradually shortened, the last row being 3/4 of an inch high, C, of illustration. This will complete 1/2 of the slipper. The other half is made in just the reverse way by continuing the sewing from the toe, C, of illustration, back to the heel, taking care that each row is exactly the same height as the corresponding row on the opposite side. 3. Join the back of the heel and sew to the soles before closing the vamp in front. Sew vamp up the center by catching corresponding loops together. 4. Make a cord and tassel to go around the top, as an illustration of finished slippers. Things. Soles for the slippers, purchase from the store. Each slipper requires 2.5 yards, 2.3 m, of round web. Needle. Thread. Scissors. Cord. Tassel.